Hello everyone, welcome back again to On How channel. My name is Enes, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop a below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I will show you how to change the Buy It Now color for your Shopify store. And I mean, of course, the button for the Buy It Now. And not just that, I will actually show you how to change the background color as well as the text color. Because what if the point if I'm going to show you how to change the color, the background color for the button, and I will not show you how to change the color for the text? Because if you did set a brighter color to the background button, then the Buy It Now text will not show up properly because it will have similar colors to the background. So in order to change the background color for the button, you need to change the text color as well. And this is basically a personal preference. If you want to change the background color for the button to something darker, then you won't need to change the text color as well, because in that way the text will look properly and you will not need to change the color for it as well. But if you did set the color to a brighter color, as I said, the text will not show up properly. So you need to change the text color for something darker in order to be shown properly or be clearly visible for the customer. But I can't guess which color you wanted to set to the background of the button. That's why in this video I will show you how to change both the background button color as well as the text color. And I will show you how to do that easily without using any apps or anything like that. All my videos or all the tricks I showed, I don't use apps for them. I actually, in case there is no other option than using the apps, then I will do research on the best app possible that will fit the purpose of the video. And if you are wondering what metrics I based it on, well, the first thing I focused on is the speed. I need to find an app that does not affect the loading time of your Shopify store, because the loading time of your Shopify store equals the conversion rate of your Shopify store. So obviously that's really important. But as I said in this video, I will not use any apps or anything like that. I will use a really short code, 4 lines I think, or 5 lines, that would change both the color for the text as well as the color for the background for the button. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. But before we start, please, if this video helped you out, help me out pressing that like button. I would really appreciate it. It's completely free and it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, by the way, this is the Shopify store that I do all the tutorials on. On everything you see on this Shopify store, I did them in tutorials and tricks, and completely free. The code is always available in the description box, including this video banner right here, as well as the transparent header with the video for the banner playing underneath the header. That's really cool. As well as the underlines on the menu in here, as you can see, I did remove them as well in a video. I made a lot of videos that you will not find anywhere else on YouTube. I did show tricks for them and how to do them. So if you are interested in how to customize your Shopify store or how to make it unique and branded, make sure to check out my channel. But for now, let's just get to it and show you how to change the color for the button Buy It Now, for both actually the button as well as the text color. And the first thing you're going to do is obviously access the Shopify dashboard, right? But before we do that, let me access a product page so we can see the button in here. Then we will do demonstration to change the color for it and come back in here and reload the page to see the changes, obviously. So let's just get back to the Shopify dashboard. The next thing you're going to do is click on Online Store from the left menu, then click on the 3 dots on left of Customize right here. Simply click on it and click on Edit Code. And this will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. The next thing you're going to do is head over to folders that says Assets right here. As you can see, Assets. Make sure to access the folder. Simply click on it and it will show you a bunch of files, and click on base.css. So if you can't find base.css, it should be theme.css, because each theme uses a different file name. So in case you didn't find base.css, access theme.css, and you should find one of these. That's 100%. But I think right now most of the teams use base.css. In my case, it's base.css. And I said CSS too many times. Anyway, so let's just click on base.css and it will show you a bunch of code in here. And no worries, you won't have to edit any code or anything like that. It's really simple. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down all the way down to the bottom of the page. Let me drag this down. And here we go. At the bottom of the page, make sure you do access a new line. A new line that has nothing on it. All the text, make sure it's above the new line that we're going to access. Then, next thing you're going to do is scroll down the description box and you will see a link named as code. Simply click on it and it will take you to this link right here, or this page, sorry, where you're going to see a very short code. As you can see, as I said, it's 4 lines to be exact. And this code will do the magic of changing both actually the color for the buy it now button as well as the color for the text on the buy it now button, obviously. And the next thing you're going to do is obviously right click and copy the code. After you did copy the code, get back in here to the code editor, and as I said, paste it at the end of the base.css, and make sure you do paste it at the bottom of the file. So let's just paste it in here, and if you notice, there's the background in here and hex color front of it, as well as the color and a hex color front of it. And obviously the background is set for the background for the button. So let's just copy the hex color in here. Then we will access Google search engine, and after that we will simply paste it in Google search engine. It will show us this widget. So as I said, this is the hex color for the background, and that will be obviously the background for the button, which is buy it now button. And this is the color that we're gonna set to. And this is just for demonstration. Make sure to remove this or access blue, for example, or red from here, and pick the color that you want. Then copy. Actually, let's just do that. So let's just do that. Let's just go for red or pink. Actually, let's just go for purple like this. And after that, you did set the color that you want to change the button to. Simply copy it from this hex color by clicking on this button right here. Simply click on it, and here is copy it. Let's just get back to the code editor and replace the hex color in here. Let's just paste in the new one, and here we go. Right now we did change the background for the button, which is buy it now. And the next thing is the color, which is the text color. So let's just select this hex. We don't need to do that. Actually, we're already on the widget for the color picker. Let's just go for the text color. Let's just go for something like blue. And next thing, obviously, is click on the button in here to copy the hex color, and get back in here and change the color for the text by pasting in the new hex color. Then obviously, all you need to do is click on save button right here, and the changes will be saved. And if we get back to product page and reload the page, the color should be changed on the buy it now button, and this is the previous color, which is the black and the white text, and both of them, they should be changed to purple, which is the background, and the text will be blue. So let's just reload the page and see if that will work or not. And it will work actually. So let's just reload the page, and here we go. Check out the colors now. So obviously the background is the purple, which is the color we did set it to, and the text is the new color, which is darker blue, as you can see. And this trick will work for every theme on your Shopify store. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I'm working for you. If you have any issues with this, drop me a comment. I will be happy to help you out. But for now, that's how you change the color for the buy it now, both text and the button background. And as I said, if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment, or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you're wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.